technically where the 355 and 38 turn now.
No. 38 doesn't turn down.
St Andrew's Church.
Which doesn't get it. Doesn't turn it. Terminates illegal mistakes. So it should say 38 mistakes.
But it says Forest Hall Waste.
The engine on this end good, like.
No, no.
He's having the time of his life or whatever. They're having the time of their life, sorry.
They're not bad, to be fair. I like them.
These buses.
Yeah, they're comfy.
They are. I mean, mine is these seatbelt
I can't wait for TV. In fact, I've been off the road for 2 months under.
Oh, hello.
Oh, hello.
I thought that was
Do you know the top gen on this key?
I thought we told them.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
Do you know the top gen then?
Oh, wait, we can't see because video.
Oh.
Oh.
Secret gen.
Oh,
Garrett
no.
Potter bleep. It's just like
You are
right.
you are being
You know in TV shows when they swear they usually put a bleep over it. That's what you're gonna have to do.
Yeah.
I'll tell the gen and then all
Guys, we've got some really good gen here. You ready?
Stop your video.
Oh, it's the East Coast Main Line.
It is East Coast.
Do you know?
You got that Christmas light on?
Do you know?
Gates said don't.
Do you want to know something funny? You know that footbridge there? Tom Briggs. You know Tom Briggs and Joe Reed?
Yeah.
Tom Briggs and Joe Reed were videoing a private charter coming through. Tom Briggs dropped his phone off the bridge and it landed on the track below. So he had to call Northern Rail and a speed restriction was put in place for 2 hours while they picked up the phone.
I've driven 10 car pace, I don't know.
He's
Oh.
holding the Crampton station, mate.
Yeah, for some
Oh,
reason you had the
it's
big
basically-
board paces with Sunderland on.
I miss the Pacers.
Because the big board pace.
I remember once I got like the rarest coupling ever. It was a class 153 coupled up to a pacer.
You want a chair? Do you want a chair?
Oh my god.
I'm picking the turn.
And it is up there.
You've said this every Brits bingo.
For you.
It's different to now I see as
David's dog down. Cartoon.
The cops.
the cops are coming.
Next stop, Forest Hall Drive, the Crops. Oh my god, German
Are you alright?
Shepherds. Oh my god, German Shepherds.
Wide open.
I was close up Forest Hall Road.
Open what?
That's there then, the Clausen Hill.
Look at that, wide
So this
open.
is-
Wide
that used-
open.
That used to be called.
So is this where the 37 turn is?
No, 38.
Hey, rather. Yeah.
Well,
38.
no.
I'm forgetting Keane.
I love how wide open's the one on there, even though you can't get a direct route.
Me
wide
and
open.
Keane had a Plaxton on this route, like last weekend, but it made like the windscreen was squeaking every 5 seconds.
Oh.
It was incredibly annoying. We made it the whole way from Fulham into Shield.
It was so annoying.
That was a horrible journey. It was fucking so good. The foot
Plaxton on last weekend?
there was yes.
There was.
The roof in that corner, the roof was like leaking and the water was just going onto us. It was horrible.
That's the reason why they're not used on
My phone isn't that careful. Sorry, I forgot to mention that.
Nice game for the video.
I was originally going to work
Me,
in that
Rory,
Aldi. I like LG.
Never shop at Aldi.
Except we're coming at it the other way this time. All my facts are in reverse. Coming up between the miles.
I know.
I'm not sure.
So this junction here is no.
Next one.
What the?
Actually, no. Palmer's but that is amazing.
That's a good chippy, that. You need at least 2 minutes.
Oh no, this sign will say Feedham Hall Kennedy. Feedham Corn, sign from there. Feedham Corn. This. Yes, next one.
There it is.
Where the bungalows are.
I'll tell you what, when I get my own bus, we'll have a destination that says Feedham Avenue. Feedham Avenue.
How do I let this become a famous place? All because of the bloody 37.
All because of Nigel.
Now it's because I was on record on stuff when the 355 got put on.
The answer to yesterday's question was July. There are no shout-outs in this episode as nobody got the question correct. And here's today's question. Which month of 2022 did Ariba Northumbria's Jasmine Depot close? Leave your answers in the comments below.